Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 9th maths chapter 8 quadrilateral, we will do the solution of short type question. Right students? So let us see few questions over here. The question first is, three angles of a quadrilateral are what? 75 degree, 90 degree and 75 degree. Find fourth angle, measure of fourth angle. Right student? So let us see the solution over here. So consider this is a quadrilateral ABC. Right? Consider angle A is 75 degree, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 75 degree, angle D is unknown. So we know that students, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360. So angle A is 75 plus 90 plus 75 plus angle D is equal to 360. Now adding these things and subtracting from 360, so 360 minus 240, so the value of angle D is 120 degree. Next question, if angles A, B, C and D are of a quadrilateral ABCD taken in order are in the ratio 3:7:6:4. So find the measure of all the angles. Right? So then what about quadrilateral ABCD? We have to find which types of quadrilateral ABCD is. So as per the given data, angle A is to angle B is to angle C is to angle D is equal to 3:7:6:4. So we can write angle A upon 3 is equal to angle B upon 7 is equal to angle C upon 6 is equal to angle D upon 4. Consider this is X. Right? So what will be the angle A is 3x, angle B is 7x, angle C is 6x and angle D is 4x. We know that sum of all the angles is 360. Let us verify it. So 3x plus 7x plus 6x plus 4x is equal to 360. So adding these variables, so we are getting 20x is equal to 360. So the value of x is 360 divided by 20. Right? Divide by 20. By simplifying these things, we are getting 18 degree. What? 18 degree. So measure angle A will be 3x. So 3 into 18 is equal to 54. Measure angle B is 7x. 7 into 18 is equal to what? 126 degree. Measure angle C is 6x. 6 into 18 is equal to 108 degree. Measure angle D is what? 4x. So 4 into 18 is equal to 72 degree. So let us see, measure sum of all these angles are 360 or not. Okay, and here we can see that AD is parallel to BC and DC is transversal. DC is transversal. Right? So here we can say that AD and BC are two lines. AD and BC are two lines, and it is cut by transversal. It is cut by transversal DC. Right? So such that sum of angles A and angle D, sum of angle A and D on the same side should be what? 180, right? Should be same side of transversal. So here we can write what? AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC, right student? So we can say that quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is a, so hence one pair of opposite angle is parallel, so quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Quadrilateral ABCD is what? This is a what? Trapezium, right student? Okay, now moving to the next question. Question number 3. Can angles 110 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree and 95 degree be the angles of quadrilateral? Angles of quadrilateral. If it is yes, then why? And if it is not, then why? So why or why not? Okay, so students, we know that sum of measure of angles of a quadrilateral should be 360. Let us we check over here. These measures of angles, sum of these measures of angle is 360 or not. If it is 360, so it may be the angles of quadrilateral. If it is not, then these angles will not be the angles of quadrilateral, right? So first of all, considering in quadrilateral ABCD, as per the given data, sum of angles of a quadrilateral should be 360. So let us check over here, sum of these angles we are getting 360 or not. So 110 degree plus 80 degree plus 70 degree plus 90 degree. So adding these things together, we are getting 355. As per the quadrilateral condition, this should be 360. So these angles are less than 360. So these measures of angles means 110 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree, 95 degree can't be the angles of quadrilateral, right students? So writing over here, we know that sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360. Okay, sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360, hence 110 degree, 80 degree and 70 degree, 95 degree cannot be the angles of quadrilateral, cannot be the angles of a quadrilateral. Okay students, moving to the next question. Diagonal of a quadrilateral, diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other if angle A is equal to 35 degree, then determine the major angle D. Okay student, so first of all, drawing the quadrilateral over here, quadrilateral ABCD, right? AC is a diagonal and another diagonal BD. These diagonals bisect each other, right? So here it is been given that angle A is 35. We know that if diagonals of a quadrilateral, diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other, then quadrilateral ABCD becomes parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD becomes parallelogram. So we know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. and corresponding sum of corresponding side is supplementary, so angle B plus angle A plus angle B will be 180. So what about angle B? Angle B will be 145 degree. Okay student, now moving to the next question. One angle of a quadrilateral, one angle of a quadrilateral is of 108 degree and the remaining three angles are equal. Remaining three angles are equal, so find other three angles, right? It is been given that one angle is 180 degree and other angles are equal, so we have to find measure of each equal angles. So consider quadrilateral ABCD. Consider angle A is 180 degree, angle BCD is equal to X. So let A is 108 degree, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to, angle D is equal to X. So we know that sum of measure of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So 108 plus X plus X plus X is equal to 360. So 3x is equal to 360 minus 108 degree. So 3x is equal to what? 360 minus 108, we are getting 252. So x is equal to 252 divided by 3. So by cancelling we are getting 84 degree. Means measure of angle B, C and D are considered x. So the angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to x is equal to 84 degree. Okay students, now moving to the next question. In quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 45 degree. So find angle C and angle D. We have to find angle C and angle D. So here quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium, so drawing the trapezium ABCD, A, B, C, D, because AB is parallel to DC. Angle B is 45, angle A is 45, angle B is 45, so we have to find out D and C. So in trapezium ABCD is a trapezium, right? Quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium where AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Now AB is parallel to DC, therefore angle A plus AD is a transversal. AD is a transversal of what? Two parallel line DC and AB. So angle A plus angle D will be what? 180 degree, right? And writing the values of these angles, so angle D is equal to 180 minus 45 degree, so we are getting angle D is 35. Similarly angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is what? 180 degree. So 45 plus angle C is 180 degree. So again we are getting angle C is 180 minus 45 is equal to 135 degree. Right students, so here it has been clear that angle C and angle D are equal and these measures are 135. Okay, so students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you for watching this video till